informal settlement. One of the reasons they always hit hard by this flood is because they are built close to canals. As you can see just behind me, this is one of the biggest canal. Now this canal, if it's not cleaned, obvious when the rain hit hard, water is not going to able to saturate to the other side. Water will be stuck, and the only way to saturate the other side will go straight to the structures.